Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for the future of food production and sustainability: agriculture development. As we face the challenges of climate change, population growth, and the need for more efficient food systems, technology is stepping up to the plate. In this video, we'll explore 10 useful digital tools that are revolutionizing agriculture and helping farmers around the world thrive. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, these tools can enhance productivity, improve sustainability, and ultimately transform the agricultural landscape. Let's kick things off with our first tool: precision agriculture software. This technology allows farmers to analyze data from various sources, such as satellite imagery and soil sensors, to make informed decisions about planting, watering, and fertilizing their crops. By using precision agriculture software, farmers can optimize their resources, reduce waste, and increase yields. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where to plant your seeds or how much water your crops need, all thanks to data analysis. Next up is drones. These flying devices have become game changers in the agricultural sector. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can survey vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take on foot. They provide real-time data on crop health, soil conditions, and irrigation needs. Farmers can quickly identify problem areas, such as pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies, and take action before these issues escalate. Plus, drones can be used for crop spraying, reducing the need for manual labor and ensuring that chemicals are applied evenly and efficiently. Our third tool is farm management software. This comprehensive solution helps farmers manage their operations more effectively. From tracking expenses and inventory to scheduling labor and monitoring crop performance, farm management software centralizes all aspects of farm operations. It allows farmers to streamline their processes, keep accurate records, and make data-driven decisions. With the right software, farmers can save time, reduce costs, and ultimately increase their profitability. Moving on, we have mobile apps for farmers. In today's digital age, there's an app for just about everything, and agriculture is no exception. There are mobile applications that provide weather forecasts, pest and disease identification, market prices, and even financial management tools. These apps empower farmers by giving them access to vital information at their fingertips. Whether they're in the field or at home, farmers can stay informed and make timely decisions that impact their operations. Now, let's talk about blockchain technology. While it's often associated with cryptocurrencies, blockchain has significant potential in agriculture as well. This technology can enhance transparency and traceability in the supply chain. By using blockchain, farmers can track their products from farm to table, ensuring quality and safety. Consumers can verify the origin of their food, which builds trust and supports sustainable practices. This level of transparency can also help farmers receive fair prices for their products, as buyers can see the value of ethically produced goods. Our fifth tool is IoT devices. The Internet of Things has made its way into agriculture, with devices that monitor everything from soil moisture to livestock health. Sensors placed in fields can provide real-time data on environmental conditions, allowing farmers to make adjustments as needed. For livestock farmers, IoT devices can monitor animal behavior and health, alerting farmers to any issues that may arise. This proactive approach not only improves productivity, but also enhances animal welfare. Next, we have virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. These technologies are not just for gaming, they're making waves in agriculture too. VR can be used for training purposes, allowing farmers to simulate various scenarios and learn best practices without the risk of real-world consequences. AR can enhance on-site training by overlaying digital information onto the physical world, helping farmers visualize data and make better decisions in real time. Imagine walking through your fields and seeing data about soil health and crop performance displayed right in front of you. Let's not forget about online marketplaces. Digital platforms that connect farmers directly with consumers are changing the way food is sold. These marketplaces allow farmers to bypass traditional distribution channels, increasing their profit margins and providing consumers with fresh, locally sourced products. With just a few clicks, farmers can reach a wider audience and build a loyal customer base. This direct-to-consumer model not only benefits farmers financially, but also fosters a stronger connection between consumers and the food they eat. Our ninth tool is Climate Smart Agriculture Tools. As climate change continues to impact farming practices, tools that promote sustainability are more important than ever. These tools help farmers adopt practices that reduce greenhouse gas emissions, enhance resilience to climate impacts, and improve soil health. From crop rotation planning to resource-efficient irrigation systems, climate-smart agriculture tools empower farmers to adapt to changing conditions while maintaining productivity. Finally, we have data analytics platforms. In the age of big data, the ability to analyze and interpret data is crucial for agricultural success. Data analytics platforms can process large amounts of information from various sources, providing farmers with insights that drive better decision-making. Whether it's analyzing historical yield data or forecasting market trends, these platforms help farmers stay ahead of the curve and make informed choices that benefit their operations. As we wrap up our exploration of these 10 useful digital tools for agriculture development, it's clear that technology is playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of farming. From precision agriculture to blockchain technology, these tools are helping farmers increase efficiency, enhance sustainability, and meet the growing demands of a changing world. The journey of agriculture is evolving, and embracing these digital innovations is key to ensuring a sustainable and prosperous future for farmers and consumers alike. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest trends in agriculture and technology. Together, we can support the agricultural community and promote a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.